Previously on Family Matters.
I've been getting into 3D printing. I like to make stuff, and I saw this Batman freaking statue. Look at this thing. I mean, like, look at it. It took 2 days and 10 hours per side. And I'm learning. This is a learning process. Now, I could sand and primer and fill and sand and primer and fill forever. And then we get to painting, which is the fun part. All right, let's pick up where we last left off. Welcome to my channel. My name is Garrett and I make stuff. If you haven't watched part 1 of this 2-part series, possibly 3-part series, we don't know yet, go watch it. It's in the description. It's up here in the corner. I'm making Batman at 2 feet tall. He's gonna be big, and now we're gonna paint him. Let's get to it. Sometimes you gotta know when to just stop, when to just put her down and move on to the next step. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put her down, him, and then move on to the painting process. It seems like it is not complicated, but it is. He seems like, oh, he's like 3 colors, right? He's like black, gray, and then skin tone. Oh, and yellow. Okay, 4 colors, right?
Wrong!
You gotta think, what order am I gonna put those colors on? What is the order that I'm gonna do all of these steps in? So I'm gonna take a second and think about that. I'm not sure.
Have you ever had a dream that you could do so? You want him to do you so much you could do anything?
Okay, I think I figured out what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna start with the skin tone here on his face. Then I'm gonna move to the gray on his body here. Do that. And then I'm gonna go to the black cowl. So I'm gonna mask off the face and the body, do the black on top of that. Then come back and do the yellow insignia and the belt. Those are all the things I got to do for this to be finished. Okay? There. Fucking look at me like that. All right, camera off of me because I don't have a hat on. So I thought I was gonna paint the gray, then the black, then the belt here. But then I realized. Back off me because I don't have a hat. The cape in the back, I'll show a picture, is blue. I don't know how I didn't realize that, but I did. Don't know. Back off. It's blue, so I got to start with the blue. I figured it out in my head. I have either 2 ways. I have to paint the blue, mask the blue, then paint the rest, or paint the rest, then mask all the rest off, then paint the blue. I think the best order of operation is blue, mask off the back paint of the cape, then paint the rest. Then paint the black outside, take the masking off, then paint the shading on the blue. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do that now. Disregard all the other stuff I said, but I mean, this takes place first, then the other stuff. I know I could just redo it, but I've already recorded that other stuff. So I don't want to, like, I'm lazy. Like, subscribe, hit the bell, send it to your friends, call your representatives, say, hey, this guy Garrett, he's got a channel, he's building Batman statues and I like it. Why don't you give it a watch? And then he'll say, hey, I'm a representative in the government, why are you sending me this video? And then you'll say, hey, like, everybody's got to have some, free time. Just, if you got free time, check it out. And he'll say, oh, I did check it out, and you're right, it is an awesome video. And look, boom, we've made connections, and we all enjoy a good video from time to time. We're nearly finished. We got 2 more things to do, the belt and the chest symbol. And then we do some little touch-ups, and then we are finished. We gonna be done. Hey, there we go, and it's done. Batman's done. I hope you enjoyed the journey. I know I did. I had a lot of fun with this one, especially getting out that airbrush. I haven't gotten that out in ages, so it was a lot of fun to get that back out and get working on some paint. It's been a little while, but I think it turned out pretty good, and I had a lot of fun. So let me know what you thought of my Batman. I'm going to be putting him up on my shelf. He's going to be a big one. He's a big addition. Let me know what you think I should make next. What could I make? But I do know you should follow me on mine. QTR Black Garrett. Follow me there. You'll see more updates on stuff like this as I'm making it. Like, subscribe, share to your friends. Let them know that I make stuff and you go make stuff. Do it. Here's the part where I give special thanks to the guy that did all of the metal Batman covers, Niall Stenson. Go check him out. He's got really cool metal covers. He does all the Batman songs. It's really tight. As well as following the 3D modeler that provided this sweet-ass Batman model on Instagram. Go follow him. Tell him I sent you. Because I appreciate it. Okay? Appreciate it.